Hello and welcome back for today's puzzle. Looks like today we're doing number 119. Before we get started, please do remember to like, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up button. That all really helps the channel out. So let's start with this box here. It looks like we're missing a 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 7. 5 here. Well, 5 is covering this whole row, so this has to be our 5. And we don't have any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. But that means then for this row, we're just missing a 1. If we look at this box, then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row, then we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. And for this box, then we're missing a 1 and 2, and I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing 3, 7, and 8. I don't see any help here. 3, 7, 8. We've got a 3 covering this box. So 7, 8, up and an 8 there. So this is our 7. This is our 8. That makes this our 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 6, 8. For this box then, we're missing a 1 and a 7, and we don't have any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6, and we don't have any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. Let's look at this column. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 4 here and the 7 here. So this is our 9. And we've got a 4 here. So this is our 7 and 4. And that makes this our 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here and a 7 here, so this is our 1. That 5 makes this our 7 and 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box then, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here. So 1, 4, 3, and 4 here, so that makes this our 1, 4, 3. That 1 makes this our 7 and 1. If we look at this row, we're missing a 1 and a 5, and we don't have any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got no help here. 2, 6, 7. Up a 6 and a 7 here, so this is our 2. And no help here, so 6, 7, and we can come back and get rid of this 2. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here. So this is our 5. That makes this our 6, 7. And that 6 makes this our 5. This 5 makes this our 1, 5. And the 7 makes this our 6, 7. So for this column then, we're missing that 1, 2. We've got a 1 here. So 2, 1, and that makes this our 2. For this row then, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 3, 6. And to finish out this box, we're missing a 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here. So 4 and 1. And there was today's puzzle. I hope you're having a really good day. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.